morning students. In the previous class we had seen 2D dimension and the 3D dimension. In this class we are going to see the activity. Last time I had given the homework. Have you all finished the homework? I hope you all finished the homework. Okay. Write the 3D shapes lying around us. Objects, shapes, sides and the corners. You can write the dice, CPU, gas and bricks and the cake. The dice is the shape of the cube and the CPU is the shape of the cuboid and gas is the shape of the cylinder and bricks is the shape of the cuboid and cake is the shape of the cube. Okay. The cube has 6 sides and the cuboid also has the 6 sides. The cylinder has no sides. The cuboid has 6 sides and the cube has 6 sides. And the cuboid has 8 corners and the cylinder does not have the corners and the cuboid has 8 corners. Okay, next. Take the image of the blocks that can be seen from the man's view. You have to see from the man's view. The man is standing over there. You have to see the box from the man's view. In the first one, it looks like the 6 boxes. Then the second one, you have to tick the first one. And then the third one, you have to tick the first one. The man is standing in the left side. You have to see from the man's view. In the fourth one, you have to tick the right side of the box. Okay, next one is exercise 1.1. The match the following. You all know this. The first one, ball looks like a spear and the tiffin box looks like a cylinder. Dice is cube and the cone looks like the cone and the table looks like a cuboid. True or false? Cube has 6 square faces. Exactly, cube has 6 square faces. So it is true. The height and slant height of the cone are equal. No, the height and the slant height of the cone has the various measurements. So it is false. The cuboid has 7 vertices. It has 8 vertices. So it is false. 2 bases lie in upper and the lower surface of the cylinder. So it is true. Speed ratio 3D shape? Yes, it is true. Next one. Observe the rotation of the square. Okay. See this paper. I have written A, B, C and D. If I rotate like this from the left side, A comes this side and B comes the downside of the left side. Okay. This is 1/4 rotated. Look here. 1. I have turned this one time. So this A comes this side and B comes the bottom. Okay. The same way 1/2. You have to turn 2 times. 1 and the 2. The A comes this side and B comes this side. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to see the exercise 1.2. Okay, student. Among the following shape, find out which one would look like the same after the 1/4 turn. You have to turn 1/4. Okay, student. First one, it looks like a brinjal. If you turn the brinjal, it doesn't look like the previous one of the same shape. So there is one flower, isn't it? You can see this flower. If you turn this 1/4 time, this flower looks like the same shape of this flower. It will look like the same shape, isn't it? Okay, this is we have to tick that one. Next one, circle. If you turn this circle 1/4, it will look like the same circle of the previous one. And the same way, you have to turn this plus sign. If you turn this 1/4 time, it will look like the same plus sign before the one. If you if you turn this carrot, for example, if you turn this carrot 1/4 time, it will looks like, okay, it doesn't look like the previous one, so it is not, you should not take this one. Okay, the second one, among the following letters find which one would like the same after the half turn. You have to turn 2 times. Okay, x, if you turn the x, if you turn x 2 times, it will looks like the same before the previous one. In the same way, you have to turn h and the a, n. If you you circle the x, h, n, o and I and also the s. Find the third one. Find the numbers which will look like same on a half turn. Okay. If you turn the 1, it will look like the same. If you turn the 2 times, it will look like this. So you should not take this one. You should take the first one. 1 and the 0 looks like the same, and the 8 also looks like the same. You have to take 1, 0 and 8. Okay. How the following numbers are changed after the half turn? There is a 8, 1, 0, 8. Okay. First one is there are given the 5 8s are there. You have to turn the 8 into 1/4, 1/2 half turn. So it will looks like the same answer. There is a 8, the answer will be the same. Okay. Next one is 1 0 1 0 1. If you turn the 1, it will, if you turn the 1 into the half turn, it will looks like 1. If you turn the 0, it will also look like this. In the same, you have to turn the all 1 0 and 1. The next one is 1 1 1 1 1. The same way, the first one we did. If you turn the 1, it will looks like 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, student. In the same way, next one also you have to write that one. Next one, symmetry. Now we are going to see the symmetry. Symmetry. What is symmetry? If we fold the paper into 2 halves, if both the halves should be match equally. See, look here. If I am folding the paper into 2 halves, both the halves are match exactly equal. Okay. If I fold like this, the 2 halves, both the halves are equal exactly. Look here. I have the leaf. I am folding this. Both the sides are match equally, isn't it? If I fold like this is not matching. Okay. What is symmetry now? When we fold the picture in 2 halves and both the halves to match equally, this is called the symmetry. Okay. 4 lines of symmetry. The squares have the 4 lines of symmetry, but the rectangle have the 2 lines of symmetry. Here I am folding the paper 1 and the 2 line and this wise 3 and the 4. Okay. If I fold the rectangle, 1 and the 2. Next one, project. Take the picture which exhibits symmetry. There there is one house. If you fold the house like this, it is a symmetry. Tick the house. There is one crab is there. If you fold the crab, it is a symmetry. Next one, draw the lines of the symmetry for the following figures. Here the square has as I told you earlier, the square has 4 lines of symmetry. Draw the 4 lines. We have to draw 4 lines. One, 2, 3, 4. The same way you have to draw for the rectangle. 1, 2. For triangle, 1. For the arrow mark, there will be one symmetry. For umbrella, there is one symmetry. In the same way, there is a coconut tree, it has one symmetry, and the plus sign have the 4 symmetry, and the hexagon diagram has the 6 symmetry, and the diamond has 2 symmetry, and the funnel has 1 symmetry. That's all students. See you in the next class.